All right, y'all, gonna cover the bottom of this pan with some donuts, and then I want to fill those up right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some more of these little donuts in here, like this. Okay, y'all. Love using these scissors. They're easy peasy. We're just trying to cover the very bottom right there. Let's see, and get a couple more in here. Okay. Okay, now let's stuff every little corner we got, okay? Even in those centers. Yep, just smash them in, okay? There we go. Okay, now let me move this out of the way. Okay, now I've got this lemon pie filling right here, okay? We're gonna go ahead and dump that in on top. It'll come out. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, we're gonna take that out. Go ahead and get all that in here. Scrape every bit of this out. Oh y'all, it's smelling so good right now. Oh yeah, delicious. This is gonna be so good. Dude, your family is gonna love this dessert. It is so easy. It is budget friendly. All right, and then we're just gonna go ahead and spread this around like this. Woo! Do y'all love lemon? Man, I love lemon. So anyways, you could use any kind of pie filling that you wanted. If you wanted to use blueberry, you could do that too. So just any kind of pie filling. We love lemon around here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the side. And then in a bowl right here, you're gonna add 1 yellow cake mix. I'm sorry, that is lemon cake mix. So 1 lemon cake mix. And then I've got some evaporated milk right here. We're gonna add that in, okay? And then I've got some sweetened condensed milk right here. We're gonna add all this in, okay? Get as much as you can. This stuff's thick, y'all. Look at that, look how thick that is. Okay, there we go. And then we're just gonna go ahead and mix all this together, okay? So I've got that lemon cake mix, evaporated milk, and sweetened condensed milk. Oh my goodness. You know where I'm going with this, y'all? Do you know? Oh yeah. Y'all, this was so easy to whip up this dessert. It's gonna be so good. Oh yeah. I brought those donuts in and everybody was trying to eat them. Couldn't keep them on the counter. I said, y'all gotta wait. Wait till mom's done. Okay, there we go. Got it all mixed up, y'all. Look at that. It didn't take that long. Didn't take long at all. Okay. This is super easy. You're gonna love it. Okay, so now we're gonna come back here. So I've got my donuts and that lemon pie filling. All right, now watch what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna go ahead and pour all this over just like that. Just like that, okay? Oh my gosh, this is so easy. All right, I'm gonna kind of scrape this up here. All right, just like that. Okay, so easy, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and cover all the lemon up, just like that. Oh my gosh, look at that, y'all. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. So I cooked this at 350 for about 40 minutes. It's been cooling about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. All right, so let's go ahead and see how this turns out. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I am so ready for this, you guys. Look how delicious it's gonna be. You know, my son asked for a donut cake when he was younger, and this would have been perfect. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna cut this just a little bit. Oh, it's kind of coming apart. Let's see, I'm gonna cut this just a little bit better here. Oh, it's gooing. I can smell it. I can smell it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Holy cow. Okay, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna add, just because, I'm gonna add some whipped cream, okay? I just feel like it needs a little bit of whipped cream. Look at that. Woo, it's so hot still. It is coming off. Okay. Donut cake. Let's take the taste test. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look how delicious. Here we go. I'm gonna make sure I got some of that pudding in there, that lemon pie filling in the donut. Got the donut right there. That tastes like the best lemon donut cake ever. That is so good. Look at that. Holy cow.